Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you check out my website and watch the video on the home screen, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, yesterday I was talking about how if we do get a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, it would probably be a pretty good short. Now, I think there is a chance that this wave one is complete on the daily. If the wave one is complete on the daily, we likely are in a wave two right now. A wave two should go minimum to the 38% and really maximum to the 78%. So that gives us a pretty big area. But as this plays out, we should be able to come up with some more accurate targets. Now, I definitely think that we should be looking for shorts because of that. Now, we had to be a little bit cautious because it really hasn't given us a really significant break of structure down yet. But I think there's a good chance we're going to see some sort of an Elliot wave corrective pattern down to at least a 38 to 78%, which means that I am definitely going to be looking for shorts. Anytime I see a push to the upside, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement on there and I would look for a fib bounce and I would look for more shorting opportunities. So definitely looking for possibly the wave two, which should be a very corrective pattern down to at least one of these lower Fibonacci retracement levels. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.